We were here for a Yule board, Friday, December 13th, 2024. And this is the elevator at IKEA in Canton, Michigan. This is a MEI elevator, aka Minnesota elevator. Here we are at elevator 590B, elevator 2P. They got so many elevators in here, but the rest are restricted, unfortunately. So I'll have to find out who to ask to ride those. So those are restricted to the general public. They may not even allow me on them. This is too dangerous. They're freight elevators. I'm not old enough to operate them. But I could go with an operator. No fan, thankfully. Get a nice cab. You listen to this motor. Re-level, nice motor. Coming down. There's only one floor, so. Y'all have a good day. Ugh, 10,000 pounds. Re-leveled again. Yeah, that's the issue with this elevator. All right. And here we go.